Ukiri muhoro haria hothe uragitwamukira ni ngatho cia mwanya kigeri kia mahinda ciandite wega thaa imwe mathaa ma Afrika ya irathiro mutwathiriri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Wambui wa Gakunji tagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru umuthi ni tariki 24 naguo mweri ni wa gathathano ni mwigi tukuhariria na gitio kinene ndukireke turike mohoro-ini maitu na tukiambiriria ni ati ateteri a ihoto cia o mundu na Gen-Z maugite ni mehaririirie hari mirurungano ya kiririkano ya Gen-Z aria maguraririo na angi magikua hindi ya kuregana na bajeti ya mwaka wa 2024 na 2025. Hussein Khalid muteteri wa ihoto cia o mundu akiugite kururungana ni kihoto kia o Mukenya na gatiba ni itikiritie.
Tulifika katika kituo kikuu cha polisi na tukapeana notisi ya nchi nzima, kaunti 47. Na sababu ya sisi kwenda Nairobi ilikuwa hatutaki waseme kusijui mahali fulani hawakupewa, mahali fulani hawakupewa. Kwa hivyo ile notisi tuliopeana na viongozi ilikuwa ni notisi ya nchi nzima, si ya Nairobi peke yake. Vile vile kwa mujibu wa habari tulizozipokea ni kwamba hata hapa Mombasa notisi imepeanwa tayari ya maadhimisho ya tarehe 25. So japokuwa ile ya Nairobi ilikuwa imetosha, imewasilisha kote, wenzetu tayari wamepeana notisi ya tarehe 25 Alhamisi, na kutakuwa na hayo maadhimisho hapa Mombasa, kule Nairobi, Kisumu na kwingineko. Kwa hivyo kitu
duty of the police to maintain law and order will be cooperative. Tutasaidia polisi kuambia kwamba hawa tuko nao, hawa hatuko nao, lakini polisi lazima wa refrain from inciting the public kwa kutupa tear gas na kufanya mambo mengine. Mara nyingi ni polisi ndio wanavuruga mikutano kwa kurusha tear gas. Sisi tutakuwa barabarani kwa amani, na polisi tunawasihi tena, we don't want any more deaths, we don't want any more suffering. Wakenya wameteseka, Wakenya wamesafa. Ni wakati wa kuadhimisha siku kama hii.
Na tugithina mbere cira wa ekwirwo agucina thukuru wa airitu wa utumishi magakorwo magikinywo igoti-ini tariki 26 kiumia-ini giki. Cira uyu uthamirio kuma Naivasha nginyagia guku Nairobi ona thengia wa aciari aria ciana ciao 16 ciakuire mwaki-ini ucio gukora ati ni mararegana na uhoro ucio. Murutwo umwe ni ehereirio thitango kureru airitu matigarite 8 na ningi magukorwo magikara njera ya Roma ya ciana nginyagia cira ukorwo githikiririo ringi. Ni uhoro uria uheanitwo ni mucirithania wa igoti ria Naivasha Abdulakil Ramadhan.
Your Honor, the investigations have been substantially completed, and there is sufficient evidence to charge 8 out of 9 respondents, seek orders permitting the transfer of the respondents.
Now the date.
Yes, Your Honor.
In our application and in our response, there is no case before you that the prosecution is seeking your authority or exercise of jurisdiction, to which the counsels who responded from across the aisle have invited you to decline. Our application is to transfer the respondents and to extend the custodial orders so that the respondents can be presented before a court in Nairobi. When a case has a case number, a case has a file, and a case has parties. The jurisdiction you are being referred to is the jurisdiction that is exercised and enjoyed by the High Court, Before you, there is no case number or parties or a case that you have been invited and told that we seek to transfer case number 10 of 2026 from this jurisdiction to another jurisdiction. If that was the case, the prosecution is well led with very able and learned answers who are aware of the limits of jurisdiction.
So in my disposition, the order therefore that commends itself is to allow the extension. I will make orders as follows. Number one, the 9th respondent, this is just to formally reflect it in my ruling, the 9th respondent reflected in proceedings as AI shall be released forthwith from custody and be handed over to her parents or guardians. Number two, there shall be orders extending the detention of the 8 remaining suspects for a further 2 days, and the 8 suspects shall be presented for plea on 26th June 2026.
Tutigane na icio thirikari kwetukira ministry ya githomo ni urite itige gwikaniria murigo wa nura cungiriria ciko cia arutwo gucina mathukuru ko na ninge iria ciongererekete na indi methe kihonia ni itarikitio hindi ya kigomano kia arutani anene kesa kiria kiratabanirio kuria mwena wa Gicũa-ini.
The fees has remained the same for those 15 years. The capitation, from a graph here, the capitation has gone down a bit, but the inflation has really gone up. That is the situation that needs to be addressed.
Sisi wote tumeumbwa na Mungu, hata hawa watoto wameumbwa na Mungu, hata walimu wameumbwa na Mungu, kila mmoja. And it is possible, it is high time. We must be able to stop the blame game. There is no time for blame game. This is a time for us to speak together, to pray together, to work together, to solve the problems together, and to unite our country together, and to move forward together, and to lift up the name of the Almighty God.
Employment of teachers is there, and education as the public good will have been lost.
Everywhere that we can be able to accommodate.
Mubuge wa Igembe ya Rugongo Julius Taitumu akiugite aciari aingi matigire ureri na kurunga ciana mitugo arutani undu uria augite niguo cungiririe ciana gucina mathukuru na guthukangia indo. Taitumu ni orite aciari kwariria ciana ciao na kumatara makiria riri makiri mid-term.
Hapa Igembe North leo hii ameweza kufungua chumba cha makule cha wanafunzi wetu na chumba ambacho hakijawahi onekana katika eneo hili. Na jambo la pili, akaleta school bus katika shule hii, kumaanisha Mheshimiwa TJ ana uwezo wa kufanya kazi na kusaidia wananchi wa Igembe North. Vile vile Mheshimiwa TJ akiwa ameshirikiana na Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto ameweza kuleta chuo cha kufunza wa polisi wetu katika Igembe North, mahali ambapo askari wetu wa taifa hili watakuwa wanakuja kuungana hapa kufanya hiyo course, na wakati ambapo wanafanya ile course wananchi wa hapa watakuwa wanashughulikiwa kiusalama, sababu watu wa Igembe North wamelia miaka mingi. Lakini wakati ambapo Mheshimiwa TJ ameweza kuchaguliwa akiwa ameshirikiana na Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, ameweza kuleta chuo ambacho kitaweza kusaidia wananchi wa Igembe North.
Huu mzigo wa kulea si mzigo wa mwalimu. Watoto wakiingia mid-term, wazazi tuongee na wao, ndio tuwajaribu kuleta maadili ya watoto yale tunaona katika chuo ama vio vile vingine and secondary schools zile za malazi. Si mambo ya kuridhisha. Ni vyema uongee na mtoto wako, tuwafunze maadili. Kuchoma zule si jambo njema.
And I'm a parent also, and I want to state from where I sit, I don't think bringing back the cane will solve the problems that we have. These are generational emerging issues that can be handled in a better way. Caning does not really give better outcomes.
Na utakinya tuko tugikiria ni tuko tugicokereria mwiroreri.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio iria ikurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA, na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na Smart Driving License. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria, ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano, barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ndikuragira arigitani matiganite.
Thimo wa kwambata thakame ri ni ukoragwo na indo ungituma uthie na iguru, kaingĩ tucietaga risk factor, utikoragwo na gitumi ati ungiuga ni kindu fulani ati gitumaga pressure no uthie na iguru.
Wina itumi cigana na nyingĩ na nituguciarĩrĩria, no ni kuri na thĩna ũrĩa ũkaga nĩ ũndũ wa mũtumia kũremwo kana mũthuri kũremwo gũtũma mũtumia agĩe mwana.
Tugaga na gĩthũngũ, every pregnancy is a risk nĩ ũndũ wa mathĩna mwanya mwanya. Nyũngũ ĩyo no ĩrekanie thigĩra ũcio no ume mbere ya mwana aciarĩtwo.
Tũgathoma hamwe ũhoro wĩgiĩ mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩrathĩnia mĩrĩ itũ. Nawe mwĩroreri tũgakũhe mweke wa kũũria ciũria ciaku.
Ukitaka mali safi kuja Kemuma, CCTV utapata Kemuma, mulika mwizi electric fence utapata Kemuma, automatic gate utapata Kemuma, fire system, alarm system, fingerprint hapa, automatic gate, mali safi, kila kitu ya security ni Kemuma. Tumetambulika Kenya nzima Kemuma. Twende nalo njoo na mi, twende Kemuma. Vitu ni fresh, mali yote fresh, hapana deal na mtumba, kila kitu ni fresh. Ukitaka mali safi njoo nami, twende Kemuma Engineering System. Kwa security tuko fiti, hatuna competition, wanajua tuko fiti. Suka
Kemuma Engineering Systems. We mind your security.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Ngai kwamukira ororingi atumia ni mambite kwiyumiria na murumo munene makionekana kurwirira iturwa ngurani cia kiuteti mwaka ukite. Kaunti ya Homa Bay atumia ni makorirwo magicagurwo no angi ningi magikwa ngoro kumana na moritu maria matunganire namo mwaka wa 2022 no rita riri maundu ni ngurani.
One of the challenges that I faced as an aspirant in the last general elections, one was limited resources because politics comes with a lot of financing, and the other thing was pegged on patriarchy and the social norms that are there that normally discourage women from really actively participating in governance and politics. We've been taught about financing for the politics, how we are supposed to communicate in politics, how we are supposed to also look, ensure that we are safe as women, because women tend to face a lot of violence during the electioneering period.
Women are more vulnerable in politics because this country is patriarchal. That means the men are thought to be the one to be leaders, but they think women are supposed to be in the kitchen, cooking and other things. And also women, when they are known to be weak gender, so they are targeted.
It is important that in as much as we are training women, therefore it is also equally notable that there are also men that are being supported by women politically. It is not wrong. It's a democratic world, democratic nation, and therefore it is also important that while we are training our capacity building or sensitizing women in regards to politics, therefore it is also equally very important to ensure that two-thirds gender rule can only be met if we also have both men and women in both assemblies, either in the National Assembly or at the County Assembly.
Na tugitiriha kambuni ya Total Energies ni nyitanire na kambuni ya utambia wa thitima KPLC hari gutigirira ni kwagia marori meru magukua maguta maria magucangira hanene nginyagia hari ugitiri wa ndereba na kwa guthukia maria maturigiceirie. Mwandiki mukaru wa Energy uria warite hindi ya uruguria wa ngari icio Kelo Hasama akiugite sekta ukui ora no icangire hari kuramata maria maturigiceirie.
We have EPRA, the Energy and Regulatory Authority, which is concerned with setting safety standards. EPRA has asked all stakeholders, all players in the safety industry to adhere to the set safety standards for people who transport petroleum products like gas and oil. Fleet modernization is very important. We have just been shown the benefits of fleet modernization. Total has come ahead of all other players in the transport industry for fuel by installing technology of monitoring the drivers, because most of these accidents are caused by drivers, human error. And therefore, once technologies are put in place to monitor drivers, to ensure drivers are properly trained, then this technology would work very well for us.
My name is Thibaut Flichy. I'm the MD of Total Energy Kenya, and today we are here together
to celebrate a collective achievement with the renewal of the full fleet of trucks of Total Energy Kenya. It means that together with the government, with the transporters, with Total Energy Kenya, we have made it possible to renew 161 trucks. So you can see some of them here, but the full fleet used by Total Energy to deliver fuels within the countries is now completely new. We really want our customer to be sure that we deliver safely and compliantly the product, and we want to be sure also that the driver can drive safely, and we want to be sure that people on the road can drive also safely around our own trucks. So that's why we work together with the transporters, and they adhere to this policy. And finally, we have this fleet which is completely compliant, and clearly it means more safety for all of us, but it means also more sustainability, because when you use new trucks, you reduce the consumption, the emission of CO2. So that's also one of the goals that we want to achieve with this new fleet.
Nĩ ngatho hau twakinya njĩtĩkĩria tũkorwo tũkĩohera mĩrigo hau no tũrarĩkia gũkĩoya mĩrigo tũkũmĩoera wona ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa ithatũ tũcemanie mathaa-inĩ macio. Njĩtagwo Wairimu wa Wanjiru, mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko auma Wambui Wagaku. Gĩa na wĩroreri mwega.